Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I am going to be showing you a new Telegram bot where you'll be able to earn yourself some USDT Tether coin, and all you have to do here is to only log in every single day, click a single button, then you cash out. Okay, so before that, you can see that in my account I have over 300 USDT. So let's go and cash out by clicking this cash out button. So first I have to go and bind my wallet address by clicking bind wallet. As I click on bind wallet, let's go and get my wallet from USDT right now. Trust wallet I mean. Okay, so this is my trust wallet account. We are going to be using BEP20. Okay, so I'm just gonna have to just click on the receive button here. I copy out the wallet address. We go back to this place. We have to just paste the wallet address here. Please watch to the end. Okay, after that I solve this captcha right here now, and then we click on the add button. So my wallet address has been added here successfully. So now we're just gonna have to go back, and I'm gonna be cashing out right now. Okay, so now before I cash out, I'm just gonna have to enter amount, which is 300. So before I cash out, let me show you the amount I have here. You see here that I only have 0.17 USDT. So the next thing here is to just click on the confirm button. It says success. I don't know if it is automatic or not because this is the first time I'm cashing out. So let's refresh account. My new balance is 0. So watch till the end because I'm going to be explaining everything step by step. So here we are back in my wallet. All I'm going to have to do here now is to refresh wallet balance, and you see it is legit. Okay, so if I come down, this is the payment of 300 USDT, which is what I received here. So now you have seen that it is legit. I am gonna explain everything step by step for you guys to fully understand how it works. So now to start earning, check out the link below this video's comment section, guys. As you click on it, it is going to bring you over to this Telegram bot. You have to either sign up using your Telegram account or you sign up using email, but I do prefer Telegram because if you're on Telegram, there is no need for you to log in any other thing. Just create account on Telegram, use on this bot, and start earning. So the bot name is Fox, FOXARB. So making money here is actually so easy. Okay, so if you want to start making money, you can come under here and click on this STK button. Okay, as you click on it, it is going to bring you over to this place. They have a whole lot of earning methods. Okay, this is how it works. Okay, so if you can recharge from 10 USDT to 99 USDT, you're going to be receiving 3% every single day for 180 days. Okay, if you recharge from $100 to $299, you're going to be receiving 3.5% income as a profit every day for 180 days. If you can recharge from $300 to $599, you're going to be receiving 4% profit every day for 180 days. You can also cash out every day, do not forget. If you can recharge from 600 to 100, if you can recharge from 600 to $1,199, you're going to be receiving 4.5% profit every single day for 180 days. If you can recharge from 1,200 USDT to at least 2,399 USDT, you're going to be receiving 5% every day for 180 days. If you can recharge from 2,400 to 4,999, you're going to be receiving 5.5% profit every day for 180 days. Okay, they have a whole lot of profit system. Even if you can recharge from 16,000 USDT to up to 50,000 USDT, you are receiving 7% profit every day for 180 days. So this is how it works. Okay, this is how it works. Okay, so now let me show you how it works. Now all you have to do here now is to choose you select cryptocurrency, which is of course USDT. If you want to go for the gold experience, you can also enable it, but I'm just gonna let's go for the cryptocurrency selection, which is USDT. After that, I click on the button that says recharge. Okay, so as I click on the recharge button, it is going to provide a wallet address for me, so I'm just going to have to copy it out. Then we go back to my USDT. So I'm going to be recharging my account. I'm going to be recharging about okay, let's paste wallet address. Then I recharge let's go with 50 USDT. Okay, so now I'm recharging from my Trust Wallet account. You can recharge from any wallet you want. Okay, so here we go now. So done. I have just recharged 50 USDT right now. So now the next thing to do here now is that I'm just gonna have to head on back to my account on the boat. Okay, so after recharging, I click on this button that says recharge completed. Okay, so after clicking the recharge completed button, it is gonna bring me over to this place. Okay, so let us go back and see if my recharge has arrived. You can see it has not yet arrived. Okay, so let us refresh my account on the boat on Telegram. So you see it has just arrived. Okay, so the next thing here is for you to go back to this STK button. You can also go for arbitrage. You can also earn money here under this arbitrage. Okay, you can come and claim your profit every 6 hours. Okay, but for me, okay, this one gives you some kind of profit every 6 hours. You see, you can get about 0.7% every 6 hours, 0.75% every 6 hours, 2% every 6 hours. That is per trade. Okay, and each trade is gonna be around 6 minutes. 6 hours. So now for me, I am going for this one. I'm going for this stake. Okay, so I'm just gonna have to come down here, enter amount, which is of course 50. Then I click on the button that says start. You see successful. Okay, so you see it has already created this thing for me. So every single day I'm going to be receiving 3% of the amount. So by the way, let's go use this calculator to calculate. This is 3% of 50, that's over 1.5% USDT every single day for 180 days. So just go for the one that suits your budget. Okay, if you can wait for this one, you can just go for any one of your choice. Okay, so every day you come back and cash out. They have about 3 level referral system, 15% on level 1, 3% on level 2, and 2% on level 3. So you copy your link from this place, share it to your friends, and when they join, you are going to receive the commission anytime they purchase a plan. Okay, so every single day I come here, claim my profit, then I cash out. Minimum cash out here is 1 USDT. Do not forget to link your wallet address here so that you can be able to cash out anytime, any day you want. So that should be all for this video. Thank you for watching. Stay safe and God bless.